Back in the winter of 2017, Fayetteville-Manlius residents voted on and successfully passed a $45.2 million facilities project that added space at Wellwood Middle School and Enders Road Elementary, updated the library media center at the high school, and replaced aging infrastructure around the district. The project is now complete and students are already enjoying these great spaces.
Our old library was renovated in the 1990s, so it was really designed for a different kind of student and a different kind of use. So we really needed to expand the library to meet 21st century needs. So you'll see that we have outlets everywhere so that students can plug in. We have a dedicated classroom, which we never had before. It is checked out by a lot of teachers, and we do collaborative work with teachers and classes in that space. Tables where a student can work by themselves or they can work with others.
With the new wing, we have 3 beautiful classrooms for 3rd grade. We have a maker space, which is a wonderful place for our students and staff to go to really work on different group projects, some really neat project-based learning. The spaces here in the wing are wonderful and are beautiful and bright and just current flexible furniture, but it's also allowed us across the building to be able to expand some of those other spaces that were really cramped.
So our motor lab has different stations that our occupational therapist and our physical therapist set up, and students are able to practice those skills to get their bodies just right for learning. We were able to take our beginning of a peaceful place, which started in a small closet, and actually have it join a regular size room or an office room, and filled it with lots of activities and objects that students can help to reset, rejuvenate, and renew.
The first phase of the Wellwood facility project brought about very positive changes for the school. The cafeteria and instructional spaces are no longer in the basement, and the HVAC system is efficient and allows for a comfortable learning environment. Also new to Wellwood are collaborative project spaces.
Wellwood has had quite a transformation over the past 18 months. We began using the spaces that were included in the first phase of the facility project last February. The project rooms were constructed to offer collaborative learning spaces, so that as teachers require larger spaces for students to complete labs or projects, we now have a dedicated space outside of the regular classroom. What's most exciting is that these rooms are in addition to spaces that we've always had that have also been renovated. Our large group instruction room, our library, and even our new main foyer allow for students to have collaborative learning spaces to work.
We'll be able to monitor different inventories and stuff with some of the new equipment. It'll be able to cook better, different things. We have panini machines, new coolers. I think the new remodeled kitchen is pulling lots of children, students in for some new and improved meals with food service.
I think one of the biggest things for us now in this room, but this whole hallway area, is that we are next to the band room now, and the choral rooms are there, so we actually get to be a department as teachers, versus before orchestra was in like the 5th grade hallway and band was in the basement with chorus in the basement, and we have a really great recording sound system, but generally just having the state-of-the-art facility with the sound system, the sound noise cancellation that's going on, that's really important and pretty big for us too.